Listen up, stop running, stop pretending. This isn't just another gentle chat about budgeting. This is a reality check, and it's long overdue. Too many people are drowning in debt, blaming the system, and dreaming of escape when the real problem is sitting right in the mirror. I just audited a young couple from Portland, Oregon, both 24 years old, and what I uncovered wasn't just a financial mess, it was a mindset problem. They're planning to move to Germany by September, hoping for affordable education and a better political climate as a gay married couple. And while their concerns sound serious, the truth beneath the surface was far uglier. Their finances are a complete disaster, and instead of fixing their mess, they're hoping to flee it. They earn $4,800 per month after taxes from solid tech. Jobs at Intel, not bad, but when asked how much they spend monthly, they gave vague guesses. Maybe $1,000, maybe $4,000. The audit revealed the shocking truth. They spent $8,640 in just 1 month. That's nearly twice their income. When Caleb Hammer confronted them, he said what we were all thinking. What the hell are we doing? One partner even claimed, I don't believe money should exist. That's not a belief. That's denial. Money exists, and their mountain of debt proves it. Their financial behavior is reckless. They're in debt to credit cards, family, and have student loans. One credit card ballooned from a trip to Greece that was never paid off. Their student loans are just $12,000 and currently deferred. Yet they're adamantly against using them. Not because they understand the system, but because their parents struggled with theirs. Caleb patiently explained how student loans can be tools if used wisely, even outlining the federal 10-year repayment plan. But the guest admitted they didn't even know such a plan existed. This isn't just ignorance, it's fear without understanding. And worse, refusal to learn. Their spending is a masterclass in self-sabotage. They claim they need to save $12,000 to move, yet keep wasting money on fast food, restaurants, and even a $150 wine bottle for a birthday. They have a fun money budget, overdraft their savings to use it, and then complain they can't afford college. Caleb rightly asked, you have fun money? You're trying to get to Germany? You have bad debt and no plan? They have a monthly surplus of $1,124 after bills, more than enough to crush smaller debts or cash flow community college, which only costs a few thousand per semester. Yet they reject that option because Germany is cheaper, conveniently, ignoring the massive tax hike and income drop they'd face abroad. The worst part? One of them currently pays $17,000 per year for college in the US. When asked how many scholarships they applied for, the answer was zero. None. Caleb had no sympathy. You didn't even try. You didn't take the SAT, didn't apply, didn't lift a finger. You made up your mind based on zero effort. He wasn't cruel. He was honest. You can't blame the system if you won't even attempt to use the alternatives it offers. Community college, independent scholarships, FAFSA, all ignored, because they expected a solution to fall into their laps. They speak of Germany's social safety net as if it's a golden ticket, but Caleb brought up some harsh realities. Germany's economy is stagnant, their tech unemployment is twice that of the US, and their tax burden would jump to 32.9% from their current 19.4%. The move they dream of comes with serious financial risks they're refusing to face. They're running from problems without realizing they're carrying the real issue with them, their own habits. This isn't just about one couple, it's about a mindset that says, I can't, instead of, how can I? One that blames, deflects, and avoids. But here's the truth. They can succeed right here. They can pay off their debt. They can find affordable education. But it requires effort, sacrifice, and most of all, responsibility. Escaping to another country won't fix what they refuse to confront within themselves. So ask yourself, are you like them? Are you blaming the system, waiting for a rescue, spending money you don't have, and refusing to put in the work? Stop running. Face your reality. Make hard choices. Take responsibility. If you're serious about building a financially strong future, then start by learning how money actually works. Like this video if you believe personal responsibility matters. Comment with the hardest financial truth you've had to face. And subscribe for more unfiltered audits that teach you how to fix your financial life right here without needing to run away.